All right. So, um, in this session or lesson, rather, I will show you some amazing stuffs that most of you who desire to be trading gold can take advantage and also use this to your own advantage because it will definitely help you. Now, remember structures. Here was a structure which later on the market broke to the lower side. And at the same time, I'm going to show you an example of my entries where I'm in a trade and I'm trading gold, and I'll also show you the reason why I did do those entries. So here was a market structure. And on this same market structure, you can see that there was that demand level which the market was playing at, this one here on this horizontal line that I've just put there. And the other thing is that just right here, we can see that the market broke that structure and came below where it came and created its structure. And now we have to look for the structure for the reason why this structure was broken. The first reason was this order block. This order block there. It is a bearish order block. The last bullish candle and then followed by a bearish movement to the downside. So the market did break the structure using that order block. We can even do this if you want. That is an order block. That last bullish candle followed by a movement to the downside. So the market came, started consolidating there. So what happened is that the moment this structure was broken, the market came, it was now a beginning to the downside. So again, when the market came here, we have to look for an order block which they used to break this structure as well. So these guys used this order block, the last bullish candle. All right? That order block to break a structure. That was the order block which these guys used. All right? They used that order block. That order block, that is the one that they used. I'm sure you've already understood, understand, and gotten an understanding about order blocks. As the course proceeds, I'm going to explain to you the secret behind order blocks so that you can trust these stuffs. So the market did its thing here, left that order, created that order block, and the market started falling. All right. So the market broke that structure, and then we can also see that this was acting as a demand here, where the market was able to do its thing. This was a demand, okay? The market was bouncing there and then it goes up. But unfortunately, we can say that here the market managed to break and it even came to the downside. Now, the question is, where is the market going to go? All right, that is the question that you need to ask yourself. Where is the market going to go? Okay, where is the market going to go? And I am on a chart of 4-hour time frame, and this is how it looks. If I take you back on a 1-hour time frame, this is what you will see. Okay, this is what you will see. This is what you will see. And now, if you look carefully, all of this, let me delete the chart looks messy. All of this, the structures was broken, the structure was broken, and you can even see that there was that order block. Now, currently, the market is here on this structure. all right? And it is coming from down below going up. Where is the market going? That is the question. Now, understanding the market structure with the combination of order block, you can tell, right here is an order block, a very beautiful order block, an amazing opportunity. That is an order block right there. So the market is within the range of this order block. So that's where the market came. And you can tell that it even tried to prick a little bit, but it couldn't continue going up because there was an order block right there. And the market was just bouncing within the range of an order block. And you can tell that the market also managed to break that zone below and then started falling. Okay, it started falling. It started falling because here the structure was created due to the resistance of this order block. And at the same time, if you look carefully, there is also another reason why the market could not proceed. There was that zone, all right? And that zone was acting way back before the market broke it here. It was acting as a demand. But after the break, the market came here. We expected it to act as a supply, of which it did. So that was another reason. Okay, that was another reason for my entry. Now, allow me to go on a chart. By the way, let me show you on a 30-minute time frame. So myself, I entered there so that I can take some opportunity. I entered somewhere there, right? I entered somewhere there. That is where I entered and I'm still in a trade, okay? And I am expecting to take profit there on that order block. That is where I'm expecting to take my profit. So in the next lesson, I'm going to show you how this turned about and how I entered my trades on the same thing here. If I go on a 15-minute time frame, this is what you're going to see. Structures we have already broken. That structure was broken and all that. And the market is so much biased to the downside. Look at this. That is the structure. It was broken. So the market is busy creating lower lows, lower lows, lower lows. And I am expecting the market to reach this zone of a market structure. So what I'm going to do is that I will pause the video and I will show you some of the trades, my entries that I did on these same trades. I entered there on a white horizontal line and I'm still in a trade. Let's go on a chart. I show you. Now, here I am on my chart and it is on a 1 hour time frame. And right now, I'm sure you can see something, some amazing stuffs where you can see some amazing stuffs and these and this is what there is, the account and the profit. So the account, the balance was 494, and now because of this same trade, it is sitting at $611 with a 117 profit. Okay, sorry about that. Now, look at this. The market is moving in the favor, and that was is the order block that I talked to you about on the chart. That order block where the market came and was consolidating. So when the market reached there, it ended right there because there was already the presence of this order block here, and at the same time it was a level of supply. Okay, and I also showed you now. Behold, this is MT4, so the chart looks a little bit messy. So at the same time, that was the order block. Let me show you. This was the order block that I told you about, that it was going to act as my take profit. All right. I'll soon put and set a take profit for that level. Now, the reason why I entered this trade was because of this awesome order block. Okay, that order block here, this one. That was the reason. So an order block, I will explain as the course proceeds the secret of order block so that you can begin using them to your advantage. So I took a trade. The moment I saw the market rejecting and creating stuffs like an M here with other confluence of factors such as order block as well as swap zone where the previous demand becomes a supply. So when the market came right up ahead there, there was already a presence of a supply, okay, of which I had explained earlier on in that in the in as the same video lesson began. So here is what the market did. So as it started falling, I entered there because I knew that it was not going to continue going up. It was going to have some struggles due to the presence of that order block. Let me now take you on a 30-minute time frame. This is how everything looks like on a 30 minutes time frame. And if I go on a 15-minute time frame, this is what it looks like. And the market has been moving and it is still moving. And the other secret is that the market broke that structure. Again, it came, broke that structure which it created. Now, what about this structure? Because right now the market is now resting at that demand level. As soon as that demand level is broken, the market is going to begin coming down. And our next, my next level that I'll be looking forward to is this one. All right. So that was the reason for my entry. All right. That was the reason for my entry. As you can see, the market price is just fluctuating, and that is what is happening. So I guess you guys have gotten a point of why I did enter a trade on God, because many people fear God, but otherwise it's the easiest thing that we can trade. So I'm going to end here. I'll see you in the next lesson.